Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Ender 3 V2 Hotend Upgrade Kit is probably one of the most sought-after modifications for any 3D printing enthusiast looking to push the boundaries of their Ender 3 V2's capabilities, offering a significant leap in print quality, speed, and material compatibility that can transform your printing experience from good to absolutely phenomenal, allowing for finer details, smoother surfaces, and the ability to tackle more complex and demanding prints with confidence and ease. Number 5. Unitac 3D Ender 3 Direct Drive Upgrade. Transform your Ender 3 V2, Ender 3 Pro, or Voxelab Aquila with this direct drive upgrade. It's designed to enhance your printing capabilities significantly. Experience unparalleled extrusion and retraction control. By eliminating the Bowden tube, it ensures more precise movements and superior print quality. Our split-type conversion bracket features perfectly aligned holes and dual-side support. This design keeps the center of gravity balanced for exceptionally stable operation. Achieve significantly better print quality with flexible filaments like TPU. This direct drive system offers a vast improvement over traditional Bowden setups. Installation is straightforward with no loss in build volume, firmware changes, or wiring modifications. Simply replace your original plate with this direct drive upgrade kit. This kit is compatible with Ender 3 V2, Ender 3 Pro, Ender 3, and Voxelab Aquila printers. Please note it is not compatible with Neo Series or Titan extruders, and the Extruder Hotend are not included. What we like. This bracket offers a stable direct drive setup, significantly improving your ability to print flexible filaments like TPU. If you're looking to expand your material capabilities and achieve cleaner prints with soft materials, this is a great choice. What people say. The all-metal Hotend design is a significant upgrade, allowing for higher printing temperatures and compatibility with a wider range of filaments. Installation was straightforward, with clear instructions provided. The improved heat break effectively reduces heat creep, leading to more consistent extrusion. The included silicone sock provides excellent thermal insulation, maintaining stable temperatures and preventing heat loss during long prints. Number 4. Creality Ender 3 Direct Drive Extruder Kit. Introducing the Direct Drive Extruder Kit for your Ender 3 series printer. This upgrade enhances your printing capabilities and offers greater flexibility. Easily switch from Bowden to direct extrusion with this complete kit. It includes all necessary tools and instructions for a smooth and simple assembly process. Experience smoother filament feeding and reduced nozzle clogs. Direct extrusion provides more consistent results compared to traditional Bowden setups. The integrated all-metal Hotend is built for durability and wear resistance. Its design simplifies wiring and makes replacement straightforward. Print with a wider range of materials, including flexible TPU, at high temperatures. This kit optimizes performance for challenging filaments. Designed to be compatible with the Ender 3, Ender 3 Pro, and Ender 3 V2 models. Enhance your existing printer with this versatile upgrade. What we like. This official kit provides a complete direct drive solution with an integrated all-metal Hotend, ready for high-temperature printing and flexible filaments. If you want a hassle-free upgrade that enhances your printer's versatility for various materials and temperatures, this is the one. What people say. The all-metal Hotend design eliminates the PTFE tube, allowing for higher printing temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. The upgraded Hotend features a larger heatsink and more efficient cooling fan, which significantly reduces heat creep and prevents nozzle clogs. Installation was straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. The improved thermal performance resulted in better print quality with less stringing and improved layer adhesion. Number 3. Creality Ender 3 Direct Drive Upgrade Kit. Introducing the Creality Original Ender 3 Direct Drive Upgrade Kit. This official accessory is designed to enhance your 3D printing experience. It seamlessly integrates with your Ender 3, Ender 3 V2, and Ender 3 Pro. You can now easily print with 1.75mm filaments, including flexible options like TPU, PLA, and more. Switching to a direct extruder is a breeze with this kit. It comes with all the necessary tools, accessories, and clear instructions for a hassle-free installation. Experience smoother filament feeding and reduced nozzle clogs. This upgrade ensures reliable performance, even when retracting or loading new filament. The robust all-metal Hotend is built for durability and wear resistance. Its integrated design simplifies wiring and makes replacements straightforward. Enjoy peace of mind with our dedicated after-sales service. We offer 24/7 customer support, including a 1-year limited warranty and lifetime technical assistance. What we like. As an official Creality product, this kit ensures quality and comes with robust after-sales support, featuring an all-metal Hotend for durability. If peace of mind and reliable customer service are your top priorities alongside a direct drive upgrade, this option is ideal. What people say. The all-metal Hotend allows for higher printing temperatures, enabling the use of materials like ABS and PETG with greater ease and reliability. The improved heat break design significantly reduces heat creep, preventing clogs and ensuring consistent filament extrusion during long prints. Installation was straightforward, with clear instructions and well-machined components that fit perfectly onto the Ender 3 V2's existing mounting points. Number 2. Creality Ender 3 V2 Full Assembled Hotend Kit. Introducing the genuine Creality Ender 3 V2 Hotend Kit. It's a high-quality accessory designed specifically for your printer, ensuring reliable performance. This kit features an integrated structure with simple wiring, making disassembly, repair, and assembly incredibly convenient. The durable ABS plus PC cover adds robustness and portability. Experience effective heating and cooling with its advanced system. The heating block maintains stable temperatures for even printing, while dual fans ensure efficient heat dissipation and precise results. Get started quickly with this fully assembled kit. It's designed for easy installation, even for beginners, and you can follow along with the provided video guide. We are committed to your user experience. If you encounter any issues during installation or use, our technical team will provide prompt and detailed solutions within 24 hours. What we like. This is a fully assembled Hotend kit designed for ease of installation, featuring dual fans for excellent heat dissipation and stable temperature control. If you're a beginner or prefer a quick, no-fuss upgrade to improve your Ender 3 V2's printing consistency, this pre-assembled unit is perfect. What people say. The all-metal Hotend design allows for higher printing temperatures, enabling the use of a wider range of filaments. Installation was straightforward, with clear instructions provided, making it easy to upgrade the stock Hotend. The improved heat break significantly reduces heat creep, leading to more consistent extrusion and fewer clogs. Number 1. Sprite Direct Drive Extruder Pro Kit. Introducing the Sprite Direct Drive Extruder Pro Kit, designed to elevate your Ender 3 Series 3D printer's performance. This all-metal upgrade enables high-temperature printing and direct extrusion for superior results. Experience unparalleled filament feeding with its dual-gear system. This design ensures stable and damage-free filament transport, providing precise control for your prints. Its compact and lightweight design makes it suitable for both direct and Bowden extrusion setups. This versatility ensures it meets all your printing needs, especially with flexible filaments. Equipped with a dual-fan system, it offers efficient heat dissipation. This leads to more stable model formation and ensures safety during high-temperature printing. This extruder is fully compatible with the Ender 3 series printers. It also supports CRBL touch auto-leveling sensors, making setup and operation a breeze. Achieve professional-grade prints with its all-metal Hotend integration. It's engineered to handle the demands of high-temperature printing with ease. What we like. The Sprite Pro boasts a powerful dual-gear system and a compact, all-metal design for high-temperature printing, offering precise filament control. If you demand robust feeding performance, excellent heat management, and the ability to print a wide range of materials, including high-temp ones, this is a top contender. What people say. The cooling fan works well enough to nearly print sideways without support, and the temperatures at the nozzle are the most stable I've ever seen after a lightning-quick heating time. The long cable running from the motherboard to the breakout board is fantastic. It has ferrules everywhere it needs ferrules. All of the connections are well labeled. Once you have this installed, cable management is super clean. Instantly better to pull prints, which is what I bought it for. Direct drive extruder is definitely the way to go. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.